Ever wondered how you could make a difference in the conservation of our biodiversity? Here's your chance. It starts with a single vote, your vote, and it could make a world of difference. Imagine, by simply casting your vote on the EOCA website, you're stepping up to support the restoration of ecosystems in Bardia National Park, Nepal. This isn't just about voting, it's about taking a stand for our forests, our biodiversity, our planet. So how do you cast your vote? It's simple. Start by visiting the EOCA website at www.eocaconservation.org. Look for the login icon in the right top corner of the page. Click on it. Next, navigate to the register side. Here, you'll need to enter a casual username and your valid email address. Once you've done that, click on the register button. Following your registration, you'll receive an email with a 4-digit verification code. Enter this code and click on Verify Code. And just like that, your account is created. Now it's time to cast your vote. Click on the voting page link. This will lead you to the project voting page. Look for the More Information link under the Forest section and click on it. Finally, you'll see the Vote Now button for the project Mitigating Climate Change Through Restoring Ecosystems in Bardia National Park, Nepal. Click on it. And that's it. You've just cast your vote. But remember, the clock is ticking. We have just 2 weeks for your crucial votes from April 25th until May 9th, 2024. Every moment counts. If the conservation of our biodiversity stirs something in your heart, don't keep it to yourself. Spread the word. Tell your friends, your family, your social networks. Encourage them to cast their votes and support the cause. Every vote counts. Your support can make a significant difference in conserving our forests. Thank you for taking the time to participate in this important initiative. Together, we can make a difference.